still under coordinates geometry is example 4. So how do we check or sketch? How do we sketch this kind of simultaneous equation? Look at the question. The question says sketch these graphs on the same axis. On the same axis. So we have x minus 2y plus 4 equal to 0 and x 2 divided by 2 plus y divided by 4 equals to 1. So what do? Let's say we have from this now, from x minus 2y plus 4 equal to 0. So bring this 4 to the other side, we are going to have x minus 2, let's say x plus 4 equals to 2y. Okay, so you can call this one equation what? Equation 3. This one is equation 2. And why this one is what is equation 1. Now, try to make this one as what as a linear equation. So we have from x divided by 2 plus y divided by 4 equals to 1. So we want to make it to be in this form as y equal to what? Mx plus c as the equation of the straight line. So just look for the LCM. What the LCM of this guy is going to be 4. How many 2 in 4? That is 2 times this we have 2x plus how many 4 in 4? That is 1 times this we have y, then equal to what? 1. After that, just clear the fraction. We have 2x plus y equal to 4. Okay? Now, let's make y the subject of the formula. We have y to be 4 minus 2x. So you can call this one equation what? Equation 4. Now, we want to sketch this. We are going to use intercepting what? Intercept formula. Intercept formula. Just say put what? Put x equal to 0 in order to obtain what? Put x equal to 0 to obtain y. We put x equal to 0 to obtain y. So from equation 3 now, we have from equation 3, which is what? Which is x. Our x is 0 already. So we have 0 plus 4, then equals what? Equals to 2y. Therefore, the y is going to be 2. So as what? As that is when x equals to 0, we have y equal to this one. So we have 0, 0.2 for this. Then the other one, from equation 1 and equation 3, we are looking for x. Okay, still the same equation 3. Just say put what? Put y equal to 0 to obtain what? To obtain x. Now we have put x to be 0 here, then we obtain what? Y as 2. Now we put what? Y to be 0, then to obtain what? X. So in this case, we are going to have x plus 4, then equals to what? Equals to 2 bracket 0. So this will give us x plus 4, then equal to what? Equal to 0. Therefore, our x is minus 4. So in this case, when y equal to 0, x is what is minus 4. So we are having minus 4, comma what, comma 0. So we have 2 points now. The first one is what, 0, comma 2, x1, then y1. Then the second one is what is 0, comma 0, comma what? 0 minus 4, comma 0. Now let's go to the other one. Let's go to the other one. So let's go to equation. Let's come to equation 4 now. For equation 4. Equation 4. And equation 4 is what is y equal to 4 minus 2x. Here we are going to obtain 2 values for x and 2 values for y. So in this case, just say when what? When x equal to 0, then y will be what? We have 4 minus 2 bracket 0. Y will be 4. So in this case, we have 0, comma 4. Okay? Then the other one, when what? When y equal to 0, then what happened to x? We are going to have 0 equal to 4 minus 2x. So in this case, we have 2x equal to 4. Therefore, our x is what? Our x is 2. So in this case, we have 2, comma 1, comma 0. So these are the values that we need to plot. These are the points we need to plot. Okay? So in this case now, let's draw our graph. Let's say we have table 1 now. Table 1 and what? And table 2. So under table 1 we have x, we have y. The first value was, let's say 0, then we have 2. Then the other one is what? We have minus 4. Then we have what? We have 0. That is table 1. Now let's go to table 2. Table 2, we have the first value, we have when x, when this is x, and this is y. So when x is 2, then y is what? Y is 0. And when x is 0 here, then y is what? Is 4. So this one is for what? Equation 1, y is for equation 2. Okay, let's draw. Let's set our graph. Let's set our graph. So, well, this is y axis, and this is x, and this is the origin. So table 1, so we have, let's say we have minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, and minus 4. So here is going to be 1, 2, 2, and 3. So here is going to be, let's say 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we are going to have -1, -2, -3, and -4. Now let us go 0 under 2. 0 under plus 2 is here. This 0 under plus 2. Then -4 under was 0. -4 under 0 is here. So you now draw a straight line. So this, then let's go to the other one. Okay, what is the equation? That equation is what? It's x minus 2y plus 4 equal to 0 for the first equation. Now let's go to the second table, which is for equation 2. This one is x minus 2y plus 4 equal to 0. The equation 2, we have x divided by 2. Is it divided by 2? Then plus y divided by 4 equal to 1. Now let's go. 2, when x is plus 2, then we have plus 2, we have it here. Then when x equals to 0, then y is plus 4. X equals to 0, y is plus 4. So for the equation 2, we have x divided by 2, then plus y divided by 4 equal to 1. So this is the point of intersection of the two graphs. This is the point of intersection. So we have already sketched of the two graphs. Okay, so that is how to sketch when we have two equations and we are asked to sketch it on the same graph. So we are going to apply what? Intersect formula. When we are given, you put x to the 0 in order to obtain y. And after that, you put y to the 0 in order to obtain what? To obtain x. So that is all about equation 1. Then equation 2, you also put what? X to the 0 in order to obtain what? Y. Then after that, you put y to the 0 in order to obtain what? X. So that is all about that. So always follow for more video. Always like as well.